Have you ever wondered if you could use an image as a link in Google Sheets? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you two ways to do just that. One is if your image is actually uploaded in the sheet, and the other is using a link to that image. And so what we're going to do in either case is do equals and hyperlink as our wrapping function. And then inside that, we're going to do the URL. And then for our link label, we're going to use that image. So for the URL, you can put it inside double quotes. So for example, you could do www.walmart.com, just like that. And then we go to our image. Or you can just put in a cell reference that contains the link, just like that. And then next, for our image, if it's uploaded into Google Sheets, you can just click on that cell and use that cell reference for your link label. And so just like that, we have a link to Walmart. So if we do not have the image in our Google Sheet and we just have the link, then what we want to do is instead of the single cell reference, we need to use image, and then we can put our URL in there. And so again, you can put that URL inside double quotes, or if you have that image link somewhere in your Google Sheet, you can link to that cell just like that. And so the one thing when you do that is you will have this warning. And it's just because that formula is trying to link to that image. And so one thing you want to validate if you have sensitive data is that you know these links are safe. So I'm going to go ahead and click allow access. And then once that's done, we can go ahead and drag this formula down because we have those references in those cells instead of directly in it. So that is an advantage of not typing the URLs directly into the formula. And so at this point, we can do some resizing of our rows if you want to make those a little taller, and then you could even make those cells a little wider as well to optimize what you want those to look like. And then each of these now is a link to that site. And again, if you want to flip that back to the image in Google Sheets, just refer to that cell there, and then you can drag that down, and then it's now referring to that image. So to wrap up this video, let me show you how to upload these images into Google Sheets. And so we'll just need to go to our menu, insert image, and insert image in cell. And then there's a variety of options you can use. You can upload from your computer, or you could add a link here. So just like the ones we had before, you can pull from your photos from Google Drive, or you can even search in Google Images.